आइए फेमस आप राजस्थान में सर लाल रेड सिटी
Hi, hello, namaskar.
आइए फेमस आप
Note 3 previous shot. I hope you have guessed where I am. Can you see in the background? I am at the Whitefield Mango Utsava.
What you do, you started right.
Just
Give
look
the
at
production
this.
to support him, let them validate. And meantime, you do when it's being validated, you cut down the DFK and start doing.
Down this from the last 1 week. I was seeing the hoardings. ಇದನ್ನ date ನಾನು track ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, and yesterday evening I visited this place when I was going back from office, and I had something very interesting. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. But look at this place. This place is crazy. It is so good. Just have a look. Mango jalebi. Oh my god. Then ನಾನು ಬಂದಾಗ it was almost 7:15. ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. So I just took one round quickly, like 15 minutes I spent here, took one round and ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. But I want to show you what I had. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I will take a parcel. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. It is so many options of food. I don't know if you can see, but it says mango holige, mango twister, puri shikarane, mango milkshake, mango lassi. Everything revolves so much around mango. And what I had yesterday was the most interesting thing. That is this. I had jackfruit kebab. Let me show you how it looks. So yes, that was what I had yesterday. It was too good, and for me it was the first time trying jackfruit as a savory dish. So now I'm going to get into the Utsava and do some shopping. Shopping in the sense, we'll see if we can shop something else, but definitely shopping mangoes, lot of mangoes, and then we'll also probably eat something. And then we'll go. Maybe I plan to spend around 1.5 hours here, and I live nearby, so I need like just 10 minutes to come. So yes, this is like a blessing, guys. This is like a blessing. Every time ee tara events alla agutte, it all happens on the town side, like actual old Bangalore, Lal Bagh and all. So when I had seen this, like last month there was this mango utsava happening in Lal Bagh. I thought I wanted to visit, but I couldn't. Like all the Whitefield people will understand. Traveling from here to there is so difficult. And see what I found. Hubballi Girmit. So maybe I'll visit evening as well as tomorrow. No. Yeah, so I was telling what a blessing for Whitefield people this is. That the government has thought, and I don't know if this is a government event or not, but yeah, whatever it is, it's a very good initiative to bring some events like this to the other end of Bangalore. ಎಷ್ಟಿದು? 250 ಕಿಲೋನಾ? per kilo.
बढ़िया क्वालिटी मैडम, पेपर होममेड है, पसंद आया ले जाइए, नहीं पसंद आया टेस्ट करके
ये उतना बड़ा तो नहीं, थोड़ा सा मसाला दे दीजिए। नहीं अभी नहीं, टेस्ट करने के लिए नहीं, मसाला दे दीजिए थोड़ा।
आराम से खाते रहिए, घूमते रहिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। टेस्ट करिए, अच्छा टेस्ट है, ड्राई मैंगो उसमें और क्या भी नहीं करना।
ये क्या है?
तो फटाफट टेस्ट करिए, सब टेस्ट कीजिए। वो पंजाबी मैंगो मैडम
ये नरम हो जाएगा?
नहीं, वो ऑलरेडी नरम है, खाली देखने को ऐसा है, गला हुआ है पूरा, देखो
नहीं वो नहीं, मैं मसाला दे दीजिए।
पूरा ऐसा गला हुआ, देखो।
इसमें और उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
ये पंजाबी मैंगो, हैदराबादी मैंगो मैडम, मैंगो हैदराबाद, मैंगो पुदीना जिंजर, मैंगो ड्राई, मैंगो रेगुलर। सर ट्राई कीजिए, पसंद आए तो लीजिए, नहीं पसंद आए मत लीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम। टेस्ट करिए मैडम। आइए, फेमस है राजस्थान होममेड रेसिपी।
ये थोड़ा मसाला देंगे?
ये बनारस का लाल मिर्च है मैडम। ओनियन परोठा, आलू परोठा, गोभी परोठा, मसाला डोसा, पूरी चपाती के साथ खाइए। माल एकदम चक्को है, चक्को प्योर होममेड अचार। तो ट्राई कीजिए, फिर टेस्ट करने का साथ गार्लिक मसाला गार्लिक।
भाई कैसे दिया?
गार्लिक
मेरे को ये
मिर्ची का है क्या?
हाँ जी मैडम, छोटा वाला बड़ा वाला दोनों है। बड़ा चाहिए तो ये डालनी, डुबली चिली, बुलेट है।
छोटा चिली का? हाँ ये वाला। पर टेस्ट नहीं करना, टेस्ट नहीं करना।
कितना केजी, हाफ केजी मैडम?
हाफ के जी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके सब लेके
350 ग्राम 200 मिलीमीटर क्वांटिटी। ये मैंगो चुंदा है,
मीठा खट्टा।
मीठा।
मेरे को ये थोड़ा दे दीजिए टेस्ट।
आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान होममेड पिकल डिश। आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान होममेड अचार, बल्ले बल्ले अचार।
ये क्या चीज है?
ये आमला चुंदा है,
नहीं
बहुत तगड़ा माल।
नहीं
जरा पाइए,
ये तो वो दे रहा है।
ये
ये है वो इमली का है।
ये टेस्ट करवा दीजिए और मैं डिसाइड करती हूँ कौन सा चाहिए।
ये वही बेल जो सबरी ने भगवान श्री राम को खिलाया था, इसके लिए माल एकदम तगड़ा तगड़ा होममेड होममेड।
दीजिएगा भैया।
लहसुन का कौन सा दूं, कश्मीरी चिली मसाला, ब्लैक पेपर मसाला या गार्लिक चटनी?
गार्लिक।
ब्लैक पेपर मसाला।
क्या क्या है?
ये ब्लैक पेपर मसाला है, कश्मीरी चिली मसाला,
और वो है
ये गार्लिक चटनी।
मैं गार्लिक चटनी।
ये कौन सा है? सर वो रेगुलर मैंगो आएगा सर, अलग।
भैया ज्यादा मत
350 ग्राम 200 रुपीज मिनिमम क्वांटिटी। 1 ईयर रखो, 2 ईयर रखो, फ्रिज में रखो, बाहर रखो, खाली पानी नहीं लगना, बस कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं। क्या बेटा बोलिए, क्या
भैया बहुत सारा लेना, इतना मत दीजिए।
ले लो ले लो ले लो। आप बोले मैम,
भैया
वो मैंगो वाला चाट दीजिए।
मैंगो ये ड्राई वाला, पंजाबी वाला, ये वाला चुन दो। आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान। मैडम आपका?
भैया मेरा हो गया, मैं डिसाइड कर दिया। वो मैंगो
अच्छा,
और
हैदराबाद।
वो मिर्ची, वो बड़ा वाला मिर्च।
आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान होममेड अचार,
भैया कम
350 ग्राम 200 मिलीमीटर।
हाँ उतना, हाँ ठीक है।
मैडम कितना दिन तक रखो, खराब नहीं होगा, फ्रिज में रखो या बाहर रखो, खाली हमारे अचार को पानी नहीं लगना चाहिए बस। नमक वाला एक ही है, सॉल्टेड है, एक ही मसाला सॉल्टेड। आपको कोई बुलेट नहीं?
वो वाला
आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान होममेड। आइए, बल्ले बल्ले अचार इधर है, और ये वाला बुलेट लो। आइए, फेमस आप राजस्थान।
I bought 2 kinds of pickle. ಇದೇನು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು
500 kg
500 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ
ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 500
ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದು
ಅದು ಇಸ್ರೇಲ್ದಲ್ಲ
ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅವರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ತರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕ ಸ್ವೀಟ್
ತುಂಬಾ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು ಹಣ್ಣು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಹಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ನಡೆಯತ್ತಾ
ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 3 500
ಓಕೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬೇಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸುಮಾರು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇರಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ expensive like compared to other mangoes it was expensive it was like 500 rupees per kg so yeah I bought it so anyway let's taste and see
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಹೇಗೆ
ಇದು 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾ ಮೂರು
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಈಗ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆರಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದೊಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೆರಡು ಇದು
ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ the ರಾಗಿ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ the ರಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೈಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ಬಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ now let's go and buy badami mango ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋನ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಬೇರೆದನ್ನ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಪಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಪಡ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸಮ್ ಟಮಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು Uta Madana. Let's see if I like something to eat. If not, then we'll go somewhere else or we'll go home and eat. So guys, I shopped a lot of mangoes and a lot of stuff, and it started to get really hot. And the bag is super heavy. So I just wanted to like reach my vehicle. I reached my scooty. And I have no mood to go back to eat something because I did not feel like okay I should eat because it's starting to get really hot. Thankfully there's no lot of sun today. It's not like very sunny today. So yeah, it's a good thing. It's a relief for people who are coming in, visitors as well as the stall owners, I think. But yes, I'm done for this trip. But I'm planning to come for one more trip. I don't know what I'm going to do, but maybe we'll come back. If not, this will be the end of the vlog. If not, we'll come back for another trip and I'll probably explore more without the heavy shopping bag this next time. ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದೆ. I've come back home. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, maybe because of heat. I just didn't feel like eating anything. It's actually not sunny. It's kind of cloudy. It started drizzling a little bit when I was out there. But yeah, it's very hot. It's like very humid hot. So yeah, I just thought I should just go back. I didn't feel like eating anything. So I've come back home with lots of mangoes. And now I'm going to eat simple home food with mangoes. I mean, if you want to like eat all these chatar patar and then you want to like eat mango, at least for me that's not something which works. I can't eat that much, so I'll eat some simple home food. Along with that, I'm going to eat mangoes. And yes, going again to the mango utsava, I don't know, because it's kind of rainy, and if it rains, it's a ground where this mango utsava is happening, and it might become very like a lot of mud and water and everything. It might not be nice. So evening we'll see. If I'm going, I'll go. If not, that's all. That's all for this vlog. But yeah, I want to tell you something about this how they sell mangoes. 1 minute. Okay, so this mango here which is very extensively available everywhere in Bangalore, and this was majorly there in the mango utsava too. Okay, but I have one problem with people or vendors selling this, saying this is Alfonso. This is not Alfonso. This is Badami. It's called Badami or Badam mango or Badami Mavina Hannu or whatever. It's like idu South to Alfonso antare. It's also called South Alfonso. So nange ಏನು problem andre, please don't sell this as Alfonso. This is not Alfonso. This is Badami. It both have their own beauty. Of course, this is similar to Alfonso, but this is not Alfonso. Nange actually Bangalore ali a few places I've been scammed. I mean, I've been scammed andre I don't buy. I don't give in buying those. But there is one vendor who separates, like two different sizes of this, and the bigger ones, Badamis are slightly bigger in size than normal Alfonso looks. So adana separate madbitu, he will sell the bigger sizes Badami and the slightly smaller sizes Alfonso mango, and the price difference will be 2 much, sometimes 3 times. Okay, so Badami is like, if it's available for 200, then the other one he will sell for 450, 500, 600, whatever comes to his mind. Okay, so I have seen this happening in Bangalore. So yes, guys, don't fall for it. Eat it like Badami, not thinking it is Alfonso because somebody is selling it. And entire mango utsava was filled with boxes of this, but the box said Alfonso, Ratnagiri Alfonso. Because guys, people who know mangoes, they know this is not Alfonso. And Alfonso and this, both are beautiful, both are very nice, both are very tasty. My favorite actually. And in Bangalore, I only eat this. And for Alfonso, if you really want to get Alfonso, you can try Loyal World. I go to Loyal World for Alfonso. So Loyal World, I think they stock up Alfonso towards the end. Like now this is May, right? May end. So I will find some Alfonsos there. So I go to Loyal World for buying Alfonso mangoes. But otherwise, I'm eating this. I'm very happy. I like this a lot. So this is the only mango I eat majority of the season. So yes. So if you want to buy Alfonso, please go and get it from Loyal World. And yeah, that's all. Please don't fall for this. This is Badami. Badami is Badami. Eat it like Badami. Okay. Saying that, I will take a leave. Bye.